Asteroids will always be a worry for Earthlings living on our delicate little planet. One of them is what did the dinosaurs in, after all. And it was conventional wisdom in the scientific community that collisions in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter cause an influx in asteroid collisions here on Earth, as presumably they would be ejected away from the belt and eventually cross paths with our planet. But now researchers have looked at 18,704 pounds of ancient seabed sedimentary rock, looking for micrometeorite samples, finding that while some asteroid material does come from that particular belt, that which does comes from one particular region, and the activity in the larger belt doesn't necessarily increase the amount of debris which makes its way to Earth. Birger Schmidt, a geologist from Lund University in Switzerland, had this to say about the findings, quote, "We were very surprised to learn that only one of the 70 largest asteroid collisions that took place over the last 500 million years resulted in an increased flux of meteorites to Earth. For some reason, most of the rocks stay in the asteroid belt. They still aren't quite sure why colliding asteroids stay within the belt, but they say that figuring that out could help us better understand the complicated trajectories of asteroids at large, even giving us better ways to identify possible Earth colliders and even influence their paths away from our planet."